Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Bitwig Studio on your Windows PC or laptop step by step. Bitwig Studio is a powerful digital audio workstation built for music production, sound design, and live performance, and it runs smoothly on Windows. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type bitwig.com, then press Enter. Once the Bitwig website loads, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find download options for different operating systems. Click on Download Bitwig Studio for Windows. Select x86 64-bit, which is the correct option for most Windows PCs. If your computer uses an ARM-based processor, you can select ARM 64-bit instead. The installer file will now start downloading. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet connection. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Double-click the Bitwig Studio setup file to begin the installation. The Bitwig Studio setup wizard will open. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and click Next again. Choose the installation location if needed, then click Next. Once everything is set, click Install. If Windows displays a security or user account control message, click Yes to allow the installer to run. Wait a few seconds while Bitwig Studio is installed on your PC. When the installation is complete, click Finish. You can now launch Bitwig Studio from the Start menu, or by using the desktop shortcut if one was created. When Bitwig Studio opens for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in or activate the software. You can log in with your Bitwig account, start a free trial, or activate it using a license if you already have one. You can also select Run in Demo Mode to try Bitwig without creating an account. Keep in mind that all features are available in Demo Mode, but saving and exporting will be disabled. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Bitwig Studio on your Windows PC or laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.